Good morning, Van Horn Hornets. This is Mrs. Shiny Mantle with this week's weekly communication about the Hive. Remember to empower all with a successful today for a better tomorrow. All right, some updates. We will have a staff meeting this Wednesday, August 22nd at 1:45 in the multi-purpose room. We will be going over all of the safety materials for the year. So please come prepared. That's all for all certificated and classified staff who have not gone through the safety training. I've had some questions about ELD planning and a schedule. ELD should begin when you start your benchmark curriculum no later than September 4th. I will time card 1 hour of ELD planning if you organize that planning session with Mrs. Smith or Mr. Haycock. Please schedule with them in advance if you would like to be time carded. We should be in the midst of PE. Please log your PE minutes daily. The link may be found on the IT page on the PBV USD website. We've moved all of the PE equipment to the C-Train by kindergarten. If you'd like to utilize that equipment, please arrange a time with Kathy so that she can unlock the C-Train. If you'd like to change your PE time, please see me just to let me know when you will be doing PE. In the bulletin, it said that gate testing was today for 4th through 6th grades. It's actually Wednesday, August 22nd. Please make sure those students who have been identified for gate testing have their permission slips. Copy codes. Please double check your copy code with Melissa by the end of Tuesday. I need an update of everybody's codes so I know which codes I can reissue to new staff members. New staff members, you will have a copy code by Wednesday. We went through our PBI matrix and playground rules on Friday. Please reinforce positive behavior on the playground by recognizing students who are following the rules. A slight change I made last week: no students are allowed to play in the sand pits and or near the trees west of the basketball courts. There's no reason for them to be hanging out by that fence. So please make sure students are aware. Some reminders: Dibbles, STAR, and interim testing starts this week. Dibbles this week. Today, Miss Cortez, Paletta, and Bruce. Sorry, Miss Cortez, for misspelling your last name. Tuesday, we have Horg, Whiteley, and Borges. Wednesday, we have Hill, Martinez, and Blythe. Thursday will be Neal, Britton, and West. And Friday will be Taylor, Ward, and Makeups. If you are starting the interim assessments this week, make sure you log into Illuminate to create a testing session. You can see Mr. Haycock, Miss Borges, Miss Peltier, or myself if you have questions or problems. To get to the student portal, you will need to log into illuminate.online and enter the student's lunch number and test code you have created. K through 2nd will also need to follow this procedure to enter the students' responses. 4th through 6th grade, remember to have your students organize and turn in their scratch paper for math so that we can analyze their student work. Music rotation starts this week. Miss Fell should have put a schedule in your box. If you're not sure of your music time, please see her. Flight tickets are available in the office. We will have the drop-off outside of the office. Remind students to turn their flight tickets in daily. We will start the drawing this Friday. Really focus on handing out flight tickets for lining up and for walking nicely in the hallway. And also, don't forget to fill out your class compliments charts. I've seen some real amazing lines already, and I want to make sure that you are recognizing your students when we're giving compliments. Finally, lounge duty. There is a sign up on the lounge door leading out to the patio. Everybody must sign up for a week of lounge duty. Please sign up by the end of the day. If you do not sign up, a week will be assigned to you. And again, all staff members need to sign up for lounge duty. Shout outs. I want to thank all the staff members who participated in wearing their staff shirts at the beginning of the year kickoff at the Harvey. It was a great start to building positive school culture. A huge thank you to Miss Melissa, Miss Bethany, Miss Chris, our clerk, and Miss Chris, our librarian, for getting the office ready for the beginning of the year. A big thank you to Miss Jenny and Miss Beth for getting the supply room organized and all the supplies out to the classrooms. A big thank you to Miss Smith, Miss Akins, Miss Carey, Miss Witt, Miss Jamie, Miss Moore, Miss Randolph, Miss Jenny, Miss Beth, and Mr. Haycock for their coverage on the first day of school. And finally, thank you to Miss Brenda and our cafeteria staff for making adjustments with the new breakfast and lunch schedules. That concludes this week's communication. Please remember our school-wide foci, planning and instruction for ELA and math, data analysis and backwards mapping, and PBIS with implementation of the school-wide matrix. Have a great week.